Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I'm here to talk to you about the AA ignition replacement trunk latch actuator that fits the 2009 to 2015 Hyundai Sonata. So this latch actually installs on the trunk of your Hyundai, and this is what controls the trunk from opening and keeping it latched. So it includes an electronic component, which when you press the trunk release button, it's going to unlatch this. And it also includes the sensor that tells you if the trunk is open. So included with the assembly here is the entire lock and latch assembly here, the electronic actuator, the emergency release, which is in the inside of the trunk, as well as a replacement trunk latch cable. The installation of this part's pretty straightforward. You have one electrical connector to remove. You have two retaining bolts that you'll remove, and then the cable will get disconnected in the trunk. If you guys have any questions about this latch, if it's the correct one for your vehicle, or anything to do with installation, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.